That never used to be there. It goes into that river, so. It's quite deep there. That's true. Except we're doing a loop and not going back this way. I get the feeling you might get to the end and turn back. Seems even softer than it normally does. Yeah, probably running off the fields maybe. Gonna ride up there a little bit, look at it. Huh? It's coming in from here, look. Yeah, I've stopped in a really bad place now because I can't put my foot down or turn around. Say hello. Love you. Might be that little bit of river that was flooded rather than up here. Dry feet. Nice one. Right, now where is the stream? About here. Where the stream was right at the beginning. Just in case I hit it. Christ, we've got any laces left at the end of this. You can see the road. Which we get splattered by a car now. That was fun.